IST 210 for this coming semester. And I just wanted to take a moment to introduce you to the course and what it's going to entail. So, you're going to start to see me frequently, sometimes weekly, in an email video that will tell you about the upcoming events. So that's one way you're going to get to know me a little more. And also, on occasion, we're going to have live sessions that are held typically at the same time every week, realizing the fact that not everybody can make that time because we usually have students all around the globe, and it's really hard to make one time consistently free for everyone. So, or a good time for everyone. So here we are, IST 210. It's a database course. It's one of the few database courses you're going to see as an IST major. However, it's going to be a great course. I've been teaching it since it was created, and I've been with IST for over 15 years. And I can tell you that one of the things you're going to get out of this class is to learn about structured query language, also known as SQL. If you look at the syllabus, you're going to start to see that it contains a number of objectives, and in those objectives, you're going to see some skills. Now, this is a 200 level course, not a 400 level course where you would probably be getting higher skill sets or even a different level of challenges. But when you do complete this course, you will feel comfortable with reading and writing some basic SQL. So the course itself is going to have you making a number of labs that will get you familiar with database concepts. We're going to start off with touching base on some of the theory. We're also going to touch base on how to write code. So there's a fine mix. Theory is important only because it has to give you the ability to think through problems. We want to make sure that as an IST major, whenever you come across a problem, you're going to be able to work your way through it. We're not just here to train you, but we're also here to hopefully educate you. It's not a silver bullet, and you'll hear me say this again in the course wrap-up 15 weeks or 12 weeks from now. And I will tell you that it's a process. So in this class, you're going to be logging in quite regularly into the content management system known as Angel. Now, many of you have already completed IST 110, and you know what Angel is like, or you've taken other Penn State courses and you know what Angel is like. It'll be really important for you to log in there on a daily basis. It'll be really important for you to also be checking your email. Angel is our main communication vehicle. So you're going to see these videos, you're going to get emails, and we're going to try to stay in touch with each other. That's the real important aspect of this class. So the labs are one way we're going to try to assess your knowledge. You're going to see a sequence of labs throughout the semester. Most of them have a week due date. Some of them may be 2 weeks. So always be checking the calendar, which will also be available in Angel. And then the other thing you're going to want to be doing are what are known as chapter assessments. Consider those like quizzes. You'll have the chapter, you'll read it over, get comfortable with the material, and then you'll take an assessment, which will be available and running for you in Angel. Every couple of chapters, you're also going to see something called a unit assessment. There's 4. Those 4 unit assessments will also take a look at what knowledge you've gained. They're typically essay questions, and they run open-ended in the way of around 48 hours. So you'll have 48 hours to ultimately complete the assessment. If any of this information changes, I'll send an email out to you, and then this way you'll know what's happening, so you're not lost. So you'll have labs, you'll have chapter assessments, which one maybe you want to call them quizzes, but they are assessments, and unit assessments. The other aspect of this course is also the really big project we have. In this IST 210 class, we have a project right now known as Flix2U. Flix2U is a project where you're going to be teamed up with other IST classmates, and you're going to craft a proposal to solve a problem for a company that's really trying hard to break ahead of the other companies that do streaming video or downloading videos. So think of Redbox and Netflix, and Flix2U is one of their competitors. This video, along with other videos, are made available to you in your YouTube IST 210 gallery. This is also available in Angel. You'll see it there, and it'll be a little gallery player. You can watch all these videos. In there, you will also see a number of videos pertaining to the Flix2U project. So one of the things you should already be getting a sense of is the fact that you've got to do a lot of watching watching videos and reading emails. That's really, really important for this class. And if at any time at all, you have a question, shoot me an email. And I will do my best to get a response to you 24 hours, 36 hours. Usually it's shorter. So there you have it. The major portions of this course are the labs, the chapter assessments, the unit assessments, and then the team project. The team project also has a number of activities in there, and every week as I send the emails out to you, I'll be reminding you what they are. You also have your course calendar in Angel, which will also show you when your deliverables are due, which are your assessments, your labs, and the project. And you'll also see a week-by-week schedule that we have out there that if you want, you can print it off and hang it up on your refrigerator or whatever you may do. You can laminate it, take it in the shower with you, hang it up in the shower, I don't know. Basically, that gives you a breakdown of what things are coming due. The real important key to this course is just staying organized. There's a lot of work, and if you continue to keep yourself organized throughout the semester, you'll just be able to chisel it away, and before you know it, you'll have it all done. One of the real neat aspects of this class is you're going to be working with Microsoft SQL Server. So in some of the labs that are more database focused, you're going to actually be utilizing a database that is virtualized for you. So there's no need whatsoever for you to download and install anything on your home machine. All you need is an internet connection and your PC. And that'll allow you to connect to the server where you'll be able to craft your own SQL. That's a really neat feature. And then what's nice about that is because we are dispersed all around the world here, anywhere you have access to the internet, you can have access to the database. You don't have to be in a lab setting, which is where we are today. So in another video, I give you a little bit of a background on myself. I hope you watch it, get a little bit more familiar with me, and I know over the coming weeks, I'm going to get to be familiar with many of you. I'll get to know you, and hopefully I'll be able to guide you and give you whatever knowledge I might have to you, and maybe you share some of your knowledge with me. So the IST 210 course has a lot of moving parts to it. I would encourage you right off the bat to get in, tour around Angel, check it out, see what's out there, and then we'll get things going. I wish you best of luck this semester. I'm excited to go forward on the class, and we'll be seeing you online. Take care.